So ladies and gentlemen, I think you stumbled upon this video probably from a recommendation, or you just searched it up, car program in Java using BlueJ, something like that. BlueJ is it's basically a starting point when it comes to Java programming, but the real professionals use NetBeans or Eclipse. I personally prefer NetBeans. Eclipse, it's okay, but I prefer NetBeans. I feel more, when you get into one IDE or integrated development environment, you become more familiar with that compared to the other one. As you can see, I'm just going to navigate straight to the where my file is. So in the assignment, I had to develop a parent class, which is car, and then two subclasses, car to buy and car to rent. As you can see in the description here for my assignment, I'm going to scroll down through it. Pause if you want to read through it. This might be similar to yours, or I know this changes every year. This is for my university, which I went to, London Metropolitan. We went from cars. The year before that was household, so like, can't pay, take it away sort of thing. But if you don't know the show, never mind, it's a British thing. Also, the most recent topic is gadgets, so literally it's kind of like owning a phone shop current, as selling watches, phones, SIM cards, blah blah, those sort of thing. It changes every year, so it might rewind and might go back to cars. So if this is the video for you, then it's your lucky day, because I'm willing to let you contact me through my social media such as Snapchat, Instagram, then we can talk business. And before you exit out of this video, no, I'm not going to charge a price for this source code, because you guys can have it. As long as you can use it to understand for yourselves, I'm more than happy, because literally some of us are trying to find some way to get some help and guidance online, but I'm going to be real. The real practice comes from you. You need to learn something, but if it's your first time programming and you need some sort of like guidance here and there, go for it. But in this assignment here, even I found it difficult. It wasn't as easy as I thought. I didn't even know how to start Java, because I came from a background of Visual Basic. I went from Visual Basic, I went into Python and Java together, but I went Java throughout the next 3 years. But looking back at this now compared to 3 years back, I feel like I could have made this shit even better. I could have put try and catches, I could have put different types of ways presenting the work, but knowing at the time they had a fixed set of rules of how to present the work, so I had to present it that way or I got marked down. And in this assignment, yes, I got marked down just because I implemented a method in a different way but with the same functionality. Just because of that, I got highly marked down. I'm thinking, bullshit. So I had to fix that after finishing the submission and going on to the second part of this coursework, which is developing a graphical user interface. That's going to be for the next video. You'll find it on my channel, trust me on that one. But this one here, there's not really much functionality. As you could just see throughout what I'm doing, I'm just inspecting the objects. You could see there's messages appearing on the BlueJ terminal through the system.out.println statement. I've only showcased some of the source code, but I'm mainly showing you functionality, and that it's fully working through inspecting the object. There's actually something being stored in the variables. If you don't know what variables are, then so help me God, are you on the right course? No offense, but if it's your first year on the programming board, then okay, fair enough. But if you just want to know the difference between variables and constants, they're both placeholders, variables and constants. That's the similarity. The only difference is constants, they remain the same throughout the execution of a program. Variables, these placeholders, they can change throughout the duration of the program from start to finish. So if you have a fixed price for a car that you initialize for the object through the constructor, then using a method you can actually invoke the price of the car to increase or decrease. Entirely up to you. But overall, looking at all this 3 years from down the line from the moment I've uploaded this video, I've gotten a long way towards being a programmer right now. I'm going into teaching soon, going to be educating the kids of today to write the future of tomorrow. You know how it goes. The kids are the future, etc, etc. But if you do go on to like this video, please do subscribe. Comment if you do have any questions or queries about my work. If you do want my work, I'm going to leave my Snapchat and Instagram in the description below, and I'm going to caption it here, so you can reach me out from there and then we could talk about business and how I'm gonna actually send my source code over to you guys, so you can take a bit of a peek, see what I've done, and use it for yourself. But if you get caught, sounds like a you problem. Till then, peace out.